Welcome to Studio. Ready to leverage the power of a Relay.ai app that's unlike anything you've ever seen before? Revealed, new, artificially intelligent web app will write, create, host, publish and syndicate profit-producing videos for you in any language and any niche in 3 minutes or less. So you can get more traffic, make more profit and dominate your niche without wasting any time writing scripts, recording voiceovers or even creating videos yourself, ever again. Done for you Hollywood quality video creation in any language, any niche, for any product or service imaginable. Never write scripts or pay for a script writer ever again, our Relay.ai does it for you. Turn any existing script or content into a totally unique version with our powerful AI writer, limited time bonus. Powerful, human-like text-to-speech engine so the AI turns all your scripts into amazing-sounding voiceovers in any major language or accent. First of its kind, Relay.ai video creation platform that only needs 3 minutes to write, create and publish videos for you. Powerful, lightning-fast video hosting included for your videos. We're using our video host on all the videos on this page. Immediately publish your videos to our video pages so you can drive traffic and produce profit with them right away. Over 1,500,000 royalty-free videos, images and audios built in so you can fully customize your videos however you'd like, or let our AI do it all for you. That's probably what you're thinking, right? There's no way that technology has advanced this much. Is it really possible for real artificial intelligence to create profit-producing videos for you in under 3 minutes? Is it really possible for artificial intelligence to write an entire video script for you in any niche and or language? Is it really possible for artificial intelligence to automatically turn that script into a complete, human-like, text-to-speech voiceover for you? Is it really possible for that script and voiceover to then be automatically matched with niche-specific visuals and turned into a beautiful, high-converting video? Is it really possible for that video to then be automatically encoded and rendered to be 100% web-ready, and then uploaded to our blazing fast video hosting platform? Then imagine if you were able to immediately publish that video to a high-converting video page so you can start getting traffic and profit right away? Well, that's exactly what I'm here to reveal to you today. Short on time and want to skip straight to the demo? Click here to watch the demo. If you want to buy Studio, then check the link given in the description box and you will get a lot of bonus too. On this page I'm going to show you how you can have our AI web app automatically create, host, publish and syndicate videos for you in any niche or language. And you'll be able to see how it'll create these Hollywood quality videos for you in under 3 minutes or less. I'm talking about the best quality videos that will give you the power to dominate your niche, get more traffic, charge your clients a premium price and make more profit without having to spend hours learning some complicated software. Because let's face it, right now, video marketing and video content is king. Technology has advanced at lightning speed. And today, right now, you cannot build a business, or survive in business, without video. Leveraging videos to build your audience and generate more profit is at an all-time high, and it only continues to grow. Everyone is fighting for the eyeballs of the marketplace. However, I'm not here to bore you with a bunch of video marketing stats about how video is the #1 way to get traffic right now. You already know all of that. You've heard it 1,000 times before. Video is the #1 go-to strategy right now for all businesses to spread their message and reach the masses by going viral. Provide tons of value to your audience with the power of visuals and sound. Build up near instant trust, so you get people to buy from you. Get more traffic by quickly and easily posting your videos everywhere. Get more subscribers by driving people to take action. Get dirt cheap paid traffic by taking advantage of the insane cost per views you can get with paid video ads right now, especially with all the new social platforms centered around video. Generate more profit because over 85% of millennials buy products after seeing a video. And much more. But again, you already know these things. In fact, being able to quickly create and publish quality video content is more important now than it has ever been. With everyone being able to quickly access any and all video content today on demand, you really have seconds to captivate them or lose them. However, actually creating quality videos is a huge pain in the ass, right? Or really expensive. Let's be honest here. If you want to create studio quality videos that get people excited and get them to buy your products and or services, you have to be willing to invest a ton of time, money and effort to get it right. To create videos that excite and convert, you have to spend time writing your script. This can take a couple days or a whole week, depending if you're writing a sales script or a content-driven script or a combo of both. You then have to record and edit that script. Then you have to turn that script into an actual video, which means creating slides, animations, etc. Unless you make a face video, which means dealing with a teleprompter and hoping it doesn't take you 100+ takes to get it right. Then you have to edit the video, add music, etc. And then finally, you're ready to render and get that video online. The entire video creation process can easily take 2-3 weeks to complete, and that's without talking about the expensive and complicated software you'd have to use. Or the thousands you'd spend if you outsourced the whole thing. And that's talking about making just one video. However, today, I have some great news for you. Video marketing will never be the same. Guaranteed. We have changed video creation and video marketing forever and made it easier for everyone to get more traffic, rankings, and make more profit in record speed. What you're about to see is going to be unlike anything you've ever seen before. We are now in 2021, where artificial intelligence is booming and growing at lightning speed. It is one of the fastest growing industries right now, and for good reason. And we've decided to take full advantage of the power of artificial intelligence to do something that has never been done before. Because at the end of the day, we all want for things to be easier, faster and more profitable, right? We want to get results now. And if you're anything like me, we also love when things are done for us, right? So we decided to blend the power of artificial intelligence with the power of profitable video creation and video marketing. And after many months of hard work, we've been able to accomplish our goal. We have created the best Hey.ai video creation platform to ever hit the Zhu marketplace. You will now be able to have Real AI create unique, profit-producing videos for you at the push of button. For any niche, any language, any product, or any service. In 3 minutes or less. And no, our app doesn't just do 50% of the work for you. Our app truly does every step of the process for you. Studio will write you a unique and perfectly readable script for you that provides immense value to your audience. It will identify the prominent keywords in your script and break it up into different slides and automatically match it with relevant images and background videos based on those keywords. At the same time, it will then turn that script into a human-like voiceover for you. In any language and or accent imaginable. Then it will mash it all together and render a web-ready video for you in a matter of minutes and put it on our blazing fast video hosting engine. And I know, even at this point, it still sounds too good to be true. So, allow me to introduce you to Studio. And now it's time to walk the walk. Let me show you just how easy it is to have Studio write, create, host and publish videos for you. Shocking, right? After using our app, it will be nearly impossible to tell the difference between videos that a professional video creator made and videos created by Studio. In fact, let me prove it to you even further. Check out some of the amazing videos Studio created for us -100% automatically. Dog niche example. Baby niche example. Kato in Spanish example. Crypto niche example. Yes. 100% of the videos above were fully created by our Studio artificial intelligence. I know, it's a bit scary, right? Studio will be your own personal video butler that will get you more traffic, more sales and more profit by leveraging the most powerful strategy ever, video marketing. Get you more rankings by giving Google and YouTube exactly what it wants, constant, quality video content. Allow you to never have to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars to have a professional video creator make videos for you. Provide more value to your target audience in the format they want and convert more visitors into subscribers. Write unique, perfectly written video scripts for you for any niche. Automatically turn that script into a complete, human-like, text-to-speech voiceover for you. Automatically match your script and voiceover with niche-specific visuals and turn into a beautiful, high-converting video. Bonus, automatically encode and render your videos to be 100% web-ready, and push them to our blazing fast video hosting platform. Bonus, publish your videos to a high-converting video page so you can start getting traffic and profit right away. Bonus, syndicate your videos to over 25+ social sites to instantly start getting views, rankings and traffic. Plus we've simplified the entire process of having high-quality videos created for you into 4 simple steps. Step number 1. Log into our web-based dashboard. Studio is AI video creation via a 100% web-based dashboard. That means that it does not matter what kind of computer you have. As long as you have an internet connection, you can have Studio write, create, host and publish videos for you. Step number 2. Tell Studio what you want your video to be about. This is the exciting step. Here is where you actually start to see the magic happen. All you have to do here is tell Studio what you want your video to be about so it can write an entire video script for you. And this won't be any kind of video script. This will be a highly engaging script that actually provides massive value to your audience. It'll be like if you paid a professional content writer thousands of dollars to write it for you. Step number 3. Watch our Studio AI create a complete video for you. Once you complete step 2 and feed Studio all the information it needs to create your script, all you have to do is sit back and watch Studio turn that script into a Hollywood-quality, profit-producing video. It's going to turn your script into a voiceover. It will split your script up into different slides. It'll then match your script with relevant background videos and images on each slide and mash it all together to create an amazing video in minutes. And from there you can use the videos as is or fully customize them however you'd like. Step number 4. Send your video to our blazing fast video hosting platform and immediately publish it to our profit-producing video pages. Yes, we could have totally sold each of these features as separate upgrades, however we have decided to way over-deliver during this charter members discount. So during the next few days, we have decided to include 2 very powerful features which will allow you to profit way faster than any other video creation app. We want to make sure that you start getting views to your videos as quickly as possible. Without views, you're not making any money. So what we've done is built our own custom video hosting platform that will allow you to create and publish your videos immediately in the same dashboard. But to make it even better, you'll also be able to immediately publish your videos to a high-converting video page to start bringing in sales, collecting leads, making affiliate commissions and more. This will allow you to go from creation to profit faster than any other video creation app out there. Step number 5. Optional. Fully edit your video however you'd like before publishing and or downloading. Although Studio will create an entire video for you from start to finish, You will still have the ability for you to edit your videos as much or as little as you'd like. You'll be able to add your own videos, images, background videos, logos, edit, add text, record the voiceover in your own voice, add your own script and pre-recorded voiceover if you'd like, etc. etc. Literally, you'll have full flexibility to edit the videos however you'd like. Or use them as is, since Studio will do it all for you. Wait. What about getting traffic to our videos? Yes, we have you covered here too. Without traffic and views to your videos, none of this even matters, right? Traffic and views to your videos are what get you paid. And one of the best ways to get traffic to your videos is with content syndication. Yup, being able to quickly create, publish and syndicate your videos in a matter of minutes is the perfect recipe for getting leads and sales almost instantly. So to make sure we help you achieve that, we've built an entire content syndication system right into Studio. This syndication system will allow you to immediately publish your video pages to over 25 plus of the hottest social sites out there. Talk about awesome, right? We've created the first and best artificially intelligent video creation and publishing system to ever hit Jitsu. This is real artificial intelligence combined with the power of high-quality video marketing. I can guarantee you that there is no other software like Studio on the Jitsu marketplace. We are levels above all other video creation software. We are levels above all other video hosting platforms. We are levels above all other text-to-speech software. In fact, it's safe to say we're in an entire league of our own. Plus, we have another massive bonus that we were not planning to offer publicly today. By joining today, we'll be unlocking all niches and languages so you can have videos created for you in any niche and any language you'd like. Yup, this bonus alone is absolutely priceless. We could have easily put a restriction on the niches that you can have scripts written for. And we could have put a restriction on the languages that you have access to have content written for as well. But, by joining today, you'll be getting unrestricted access to both of these features so you can have videos created for you in any niche and any language imaginable. However, we may consider removing this unrestricted bonus from this page in the very near future and only include it as a monthly option. So if I were you, I'd secure your copy of our Studio Charter members offer today. If you're still not 100% sold on Studio, let's take a look at all of our features. If you like the video, then please hit the like and subscribe button. Feature 1. Your entire video script written for you in any niche by Real AI. Feature 2. Your entire script turned into a voiceover immediately and just about any accent or language you'd like. Feature 3. Your entire script analyzed by RA.ai and automatically selects relevant video clips from our library of over 1,000,000 plus clips. Feature 4. Your script, slides plus video clips, voiceover and music automatically combine to make an entire video for you in minutes. Feature 5. Fully edit your videos as much or as little as you'd like. Feature 6. Insert your own images, videos, voiceovers, etc. Feature 7. Blank canvas option so you can paste in your own script if you'd like. Feature 8. Record your own voiceover right from inside our dashboard and let Studio automatically match it to relevant media. Feature 9. Choose the dimensions of your video to match the type of social media site you plan to post it on. Feature 10. Send your video to our powerful video hosting engine to immediately get your video online. Feature 11. Track all of your video conversions so you know exactly how much profit your videos generate. Feature 12. Publish your videos to our high-converting videos pages in just a few clicks and add headlines, buttons, images, custom text and more. Feature 13. Embed your videos on any page you'd like in a matter of seconds. Feature 14. Syndicate your videos and or pages to over 25 plus social sites to instantly start getting traffic, sales and subscribers. And a whole lot more. We have so many features packed into Studio, plus so many more features coming in the future to truly make ourselves untouchable to any competition on the market. Josh, all of this looks amazing, but how will Studio make me money? That's probably what some of you are wondering if you haven't already realized the true power of what you're witnessing here today. As I mentioned previously, video marketing is one of the must in today's online world for businesses to get more traffic, instantly build trust, skyrocket profit and build brands online. However, if you're still unclear about how to profit with Studio, here are 7 quick ways to do so. Create and rank affiliate marketing videos. This is probably going to be one of the most popular monetization strategies, especially since SEO affiliate marketers understand the power and speed of ranking videos. When it comes to page 1 rankings, leveraging videos is the fastest and easiest way to get there. With Studio, your next commission-producing video is only 90 seconds away from being created. Plus, since Studio will be creating your videos for you, all you have to do is upload them to YouTube to kickstart your free traffic. Create video sales letters for your products and or services. This is going to be another one of our most used purposes for Studio. Our app will allow you to easily create Hollywood-quality video sales letters for any product and or service in a matter of minutes. We have over 1 million HD media assets built into Studio to instantly give your videos that professional touch. You'll be able to customize your videos however you'd like and watch your sales and conversions skyrocket. Create and rank videos for your clients and charge a premium price, huge bonus. This is actually a 2-1 monetization strategy. During this limited time Charter members offer, we've thrown in our agency rights as a free bonus. This is a huge bonus that we could have easily charged extra for. This means that you'll be able to create and sell videos to your clients at a premium price. But, since we also have our syndication module included as a free bonus as well, you'll also be able to offer video ranking services to your clients as well. You can charge a one-time fee for creating videos for them and then upsell them so as a recurring charge, or give the videos for free and charge a higher monthly recurring fee. There's so many options here. Offer video creation services in multiple languages. With our built-in text-to-speech system that can translate any script into any language, you can profit big by creating videos for other people in other languages without even having to speak it. Heck, you can even require them to provide you with the script and literally just copy, paste it into our app and hit go. Literally, that would be all you'd have to do. You can sell these services over and over on sites like Fiverr, or charge a bit higher and put your services on sites like Upwork. Create amazing videos for your e-commerce stores. We're in a world where over 76% of consumers ages 18-34 are buying a product after watching a video. That means that if you're not using videos and you run an e-commerce business, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. If you run an e-commerce brand or niche site, using video marketing is a must. Literally, you can't survive without it. With Studio, you can make videos for all your products in minutes. Turn any and all of your existing content into videos in minutes to get even more traffic. Content repurposing is another tactic that is not talked about too much these days. However, repurposing your content into other forms of media is one of the most powerful traffic strategies you can leverage. With the amount of content that you probably already have published online, or that you have on your hard drive, it'll be silly to not turn them into videos and put them all over YouTube, Vimeo, Facebook Video and all of the other hot video sites. Heck, you can even break it down to smaller videos and post them onto TikTok, Instagram and more. Especially since you can create videos in all the most popular dimensions. Create entire video courses with our app that you can charge at premium for your knowledge. The information niche is obviously a multi-billion-dollar niche. We all know this, right? Knowledge is power, period. And being able to turn your knowledge into videos that teach that knowledge is extremely profitable. With Studio you can easily create an entire video course and charge your customers a hefty fee to access your content. And these are just a handful of strategies that you can leverage to start profiting with the videos Studio will be creating for you. We've literally created the easiest way to have videos created for you in a matter of seconds to bring in more traffic, leads and profit. And now, enough with the small talk. Let's get to the number one question you probably have right now. How much is it to get access to this futuristic piece of equipment? And trust us, we struggled with this as well. Why? Well, because, at first, we couldn't really believe what we had created. Every time Studio spits out a fully automated video written and created by Relay.ai, it continues to wow us. The quality of the videos are truly that good, as you saw from the examples above. This is probably how you're feeling right now as well. Like, wow, did a machine really write the videos that were posted on this page? Is it really possible to have a machine create amazing, high-converting videos for me? If you like the video, then please hit the like and subscribe button. And I think that I've, hopefully, answered that question and have proven to you that, yes, it is possible, and we have done it. However, now it's time for you to see it, touch it, feel it for yourself. That's when you'll truly get the full experience of the true power of real artificial intelligence. And with that in mind, we were truly considering taking this directly to the public market and charging a hefty, monthly, recurring fee for it. We know how big the video creation niche is, how much it's lacking for a real, reliable product, and how there's no other tool like Studio in the marketplace. So when we tell you that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to secure access to Studio for this insanely discounted, one-time price, we truly mean it. You may never see it offered at this price, with this much value and with the amazing bonuses posted on this page ever again. Plus, when you create your account today, you'll also be securing these amazing bonuses. Bonus number 1. Free access to our agency license. $497 value. This bonus here easily packs the most potential profit in your pocket. There are human video creators out there charging crazy amounts of money to create subpar videos for other people. Heck, even on Fiverr you'll find people charging $5, $10 all day long for videos that are 30-60 seconds long. Can you imagine how much you can make by charging people to create professional videos for them and have Studio do all the work for you? With this bonus, you'll have full rights to be able to use Studio to write, create and sell videos to your clients. Heck, you can even offer to host their videos for them for a recurring fee. Bonus number 2. Premium video hosting included for free. $97/m value. Yes, we could have easily sold this part of our system as a separate upgrade of its own. Premium video hosting is not cheap, we all know this, right? You can look at all the video hosting services out there. They all charge a monthly fee. And for good reason. It's not easy, simple or cheap to run a proper video hosting platform. Yes, you can use YouTube, but you run the risk of losing a ton of your visitors because YouTube is a master at distracting its viewers and keeping them on their site as long as possible. However, today, we've decided to build our video hosting system right into Studio so you can go from creation to publishing in a matter of minutes without having to download, upload or even log into a separate platform. You get it premium, blazing fast video hosting included in your purchase today. Even all the videos on this page are hosted with our platform. Talk about fast loading, right? Bonus number 3. Instant publishing to video pages. $497 value. This is yet another priceless bonus that we could have charged separately for. Getting your videos created, hosted and published to a page you can start sending traffic to immediately is what's going to get you paid as fast as possible. And we wanted to break the mold and do something that has never been done before. We wanted to simplify the process of getting your videos created, hosted and published to a page and have it be a singular process. We've done that with our Studio Pages feature. With Studio Pages, you'll be able to instantly publish your videos to a high-converting video page in a matter of minutes without ever leaving our main dashboard. It will all be a seamless process. Plus, you'll be able to add a headline, buttons, images, text, etc. on your pages to boost your sales even more. It'll be like a mini video page builder that'll be built right into Studio. Talk about awesome, right? If you want to buy Studio, then check the link given in the description box and you will get a lot of bonus too. Bonus number 4. Unlock all niche templates to create videos for any service, niche or industry. $97 value. This bonus is one that we really spent some time thinking about whether we should include it or not. We knew that we could have easily created a certain hash of pre-built templates that you get access to on the front-end purchase and then created an upsell offer that unlocked all our other templates. We could have put a price tag of $97 on it and it would have sold like crazy. However, we decided to raise the bar when it comes to the amount of value you get with your purchase today. With that being said, you'll be getting full access to all of our templates, so you can create videos even faster. Bonus number 5. Unlock all languages to create videos on a global level. $297 value. Just like the bonus above, this is another one that could have been broken off into its own upgrade. Heck, it could have probably be bundled together with bonus number 4 on a booster bundle type of upgrade where you can unlock all niches and all languages. However, we know that we have customers from all around the world. And we know that many of our customers do market in other languages. We also know that marketing in languages outside of just English is extremely profitable. So we wanted to make that available to everyone. With this bonus, it does not matter if you speak another language or not. You'll be able to profit from creating videos in any language since you'll have full access to all the languages built into Studio. Bonus number 6. High-quality video syndication to start getting traffic now. If you've purchased any of my products before, you know that we have an entire lineup of best-selling content syndication software. Why? Well, because content syndication flat.out works. It's one of the number one ways to get instant traffic from social media and it's one of the number one ways to get videos and niche sites ranked on page 1 of Google and YouTube. Because of that, we wanted to make sure we also added a traffic module into Studio. Because beautiful videos without traffic mean nothing if they're not making money, right? We wanted to make sure we had you covered with traffic as well. So, you're getting our high-quality video syndication module as a free bonus during our charter members grand opening. Talk about some insanely awesome bonuses, right? Yup, we have really stepped the value up on this one. And you can get access to everything we just mentioned above at the crazy, discounted, one-time price you see below. Yup, 0 monthly fees. If you like the video then please hit the like and subscribe button. All you have to do now is choose the package that's right for you. Studio Lite. Full access to our Studio agency level. 10 video creation credits, 1 credit equals 1 video created. Full access to AI video script writer. Full access to our blank canvas option. Full access to all our built-in voices for our text-to-speech engine. Full access to our built-in voice-over recording system. Full access to all 1,500,000 built-in media assets. Full access to all 80,000 music tracks. Bonus, access to all our built-in templates. Bonus, access to all our built-in languages. Bonus, access to our premium video hosting feature. Bonus, access to our Studio Pages feature. Normally $87 per month. Get it now for the one-time discount you see below. If you want to buy Studio, then check the link given in the description box and you will get a lot of bonus too. Only $38.35. Most value. Studio Agency. Full access to our Studio Agency level. 25 video creation credits, 1 credit equals 1 video created. Full access to AI video script writer. Full access to our blank canvas option. Full access to all our built-in voices for our text-to-speech engine. Full access to our built-in voice-over recording system. Full access to all 1,500,000 built-in media assets. Full access to all 80,000 music tracks. Bonus, access to all our built-in templates. Bonus, access to all our built-in languages. Bonus, agency license to use for clients. Bonus, access to our premium video hosting feature. Bonus, access to our Studio Pages feature. Normally $97 per month. Get it now for the one-time discount you see below. Only $39.95. If you want to buy Studio, then check the link given in the description box and you will get a lot of bonus too. And of course, we also have a 30-day, double your money back guarantee. Yup, we're so confident in how powerful and how much value Studio can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we're doing a double your money back guarantee. Just show us that you put Studio into action in your business, and if the quality of the videos doesn't absolutely blow you away, we will, without hesitation, give you double your money back. At this point there's not much else to say. You either want to have high quality, unique videos created for you or you don't. You either want to be the first to get access to this powerful technology, or you don't. You either want more traffic, more subscribers, and more profit by leveraging the power of quality video marketing, or you don't. You either want to pick up Studio at the best possible price and value that you will ever see it at, or you don't. However, if you do want to pick up the best, artificially intelligent video creation platform to ever hit Yuzu at the best price you'll ever see it at, I highly recommend picking up your copy now. Hit the discount button below. If you want to buy Studio, then check the link given in the description box and you will get a lot of bonus too.